Well, good evening. Friday evening, Friday, September 12th. It's about 9:50 in the p.m. Yeah, I'm up late. I ended up running out and about. I didn't remember that it was Friday. Yeah, stayed here, got some maintenance took care of. Place is a little more secure now. Got a throw bolt installed on my door. Uh, yeah, hasp, latch, whatever you want to call it, throw bolt. Uh, yeah, makes it a little more secure. Got housekeeping through. Yay, housekeeping. Uh, on top of that, ran out and went and got me some vitamins. Yeah, that stuff. Because, well, we all, we all could use some vitamins. So, yeah, did that. Grumbled at a jeepney driver because I thought he was trying to charge me too much. Realized that, oh, it's Friday night and volume traffic. It's busy out there. Uh, Calmed down quick after I realized that I'd growled at somebody and that wasn't good. Yeah. If I ever see him again, I gotta apologize. But anyway, I ended up there and over to a different mall. And I can tell you, I really do need to go down to the Mandawi City Public Market area next Friday night because that place was jumping. So I think I'm going to try that place next week and check it out. Uh, yeah. Anyway, swung over, picked up those vitamins, swung over, and walked through the other mall, transferring, got a juice, and was heading back here. And I got into a conversation with the gal that was sitting next to me. Her and the little Lola, yeah, Lola, that was next to her. And we had a pretty good conversation. I had a few of them cracking up and laughing. It was enjoyable. The biggest problem with this is I wasn't paying attention and I didn't realize that I'd missed my stop until we were partway up the bridge. And I'm like, oh crap. So had to pay for a ride back because I wasn't paying attention. My bad. But hey, it was okay. When I finally did get back here, went over and talked and to some folks and heading back. It was raining. Got to use my umbrella. It's a good thing to carry that thing with you around here. I'm still getting used to the idea of people using it as as a sunshade. Uh, can probably use it, especially right after a haircut. Uh, it is what it is. But I did get some rain use out of it tonight, so yay. And I was thinking about trying to cook something, but yeah, the part of me just says no. Do the take a snack and enjoy it. Sorry, take a snack and enjoy it, and just get up and eat breakfast in the morning. Cause I got a lot of eggs. Don't really have a lot to go with them, so I don't know. Maybe cut up some potatoes and have some hash browns. I haven't decided yet, but it is coming up on 10 o'clock. So, yeah, I really would like to get some sleep. I'm tired. Didn't get a nap today. Trying to stay awake waiting on maintenance to get here, and they were kind of late. And, it was afternoon when they finally did get here. Uh, yeah. But hey, it's Filipino time. I'm okay with that. And besides, what I got to do other than wander means I didn't spend as much on transportation. I still got my vitamins. That was my project for today. That and the maintenance. Got the maintenance. Got the housekeeping and got the vitamins. Had an enjoyable wander and got lost going to Lapu Lapu and a trip back. Had fun. Yeah. Somebody asked about Social Security. Yeah, I'm on Social Security, and it stays in Texas. I work getting it over here through my cards and such, and eventually I will try to get a bank account over here and transfer it to here. Need to find a place I want to settle down first, though, because they're more. Yes, they might be a Philippine bank, but it's like a bunch of Philippine banks that are all under the same name that are really different banks each. So it's more like an individual franchise. At least that's what I'm catching of it. But that's okay. Find a place where I want to actually drop anchor, get a bank account there, and be happy with it. That's something I'm realizing. Be happy with it. That's why I got rid of the upset with the driver so fast. I realized I was letting somebody else, and it was my perception. He wasn't actually doing that. So I got upset for no reason. At somebody that had no idea I was even upset at him, probably. And if he did, what's he, like I say, it's my bad. If I see him again, I need to apologize. Uh, but I've come to the point of realizing that, yeah, uh, don't let things stress you out. Let go of it. It's not worth the headache. Yeah. Anyway, even with getting my vitamins, I ended up spending about $10 today, hair under. So yeah, didn't do much of anything yesterday. So day before though, blew my wad on that day. Uh, it's okay. We get to make choices, and I'm trying to keep my days in line, not go too far over. Some days go under. Trying to decide what to do tomorrow. I think I want to go find a beach. But then I looked at those mountains. Part of me wants to go to the mountain today or tomorrow. I don't know. Somebody I was talking to mentioned church. I think I might try to catch that one again. Keep it at least once a month. Yeah. So that gives me something for Sunday. Don't get me wrong. I look up here and I see that it's Friday, and I know it's Friday, but I'm not really worried or stressing or paying that much attention to it. It's just another day to get up and go do something, wander around and see what's out there. I can do that. Be at peace with me and learn to let go of things. It's me who has to work on me. It's not somebody else's job, so I work on me. And quite honestly, I don't like having to work on me, but I'm the only one that's going to do the work, so I'm doing it. I'm making me a better me, a happier me. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm having fun with this. I really do enjoy just getting out and wandering and having a conversation with somebody. Even if it's just some little gal that got squished up against me because we were on the bus. And let me tell you, some of these buses get pretty squished. I stopped. I didn't want to get on the bus before it because it was so cramped. And I would have ended up toward the back of it. I like to fell off of a fellow trying to get out of one of them the other day and almost squished a baby. Don't want to squish babies. They're precious. So yeah, I will try to make sure I stay toward the front of the bus so I'm not trying to stand up and walk through all that and tripping. It's better to be on the safe side on that point. So wait for the next bus. It's got some advantages. Just saying. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day. I hope your Friday is a wonderful one and that your Friday night, yeah, is a real good one. Enjoy your weekend. Later blessings. Bye bye. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. This is Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. You do you. It's your job. Anyway, I hope it's a blessed day for you. Enjoy your weekend. This is Fish, and Fish is out.